Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, you must have definitely felt that the sentiments are very fearful. I'm not going to say positive or negative due to the fact that uncertainty that's starting to build up around the entire market only due to one single coin, and that's USDT. Why? Because if you guys have no idea and you've been living under the rock, well, the Europe will ban USDT and delist it from pretty much all the major exchanges on the 30th of December due to the fact it wasn't able to comply with some of the regulations. You can see that USDT is trending on Twitter right now, and this could be the single factor for the entire market to see a really strong pullback. And if you do not know, USDT is pretty much the backbone of the entire crypto market. If we just see the amount of trading volume that flows through, it's pretty much double what Bitcoin does in 24 hours. On the other end, MICA takes effect. New rules for the EU market or the crypto market is causing the USDT stablecoin to have some problems. On the other end, Dogecoin could see another explosive rally to some numbers which you would not expect. And Michael Saylor sparks a new speculation about MicroStrategy Bitcoin plans. Before we get into all of this, I do want to say, if you guys want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. If you want the latest and the greatest news first, become part of the team. Now, one thing I do want to mention is you might have noticed that today morning, Bitcoin did actually go very close to retesting close to 93,000. Not just one time, you might have noticed that a couple of times during the day, there was a little bit of fearful situation where Bitcoin was showing signs that might break below 93,000 pretty much earlier morning, and then later on you notice that pullback was the scary one, as a lot of people know that as soon as we break the support at 93,000, Bitcoin would be at a free fall, and this free fall could actually send us to some numbers which I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very scared to see. And these are the numbers that a lot of veteran traders have been estimating. Bitcoin will crash to 60,000 before we see another explosive move forward. And the singular reason behind this could be USDT. Now, for the people who don't understand what USDT is and why it's the backbone of the crypto market, let me try to explain to you. Due to the new MICA, which is Markets in Crypto Asset Regulation, EU exchanges are now required to delist USDT by the 30th of December, and some of the exchanges starting with Crypto.com. But where did Tether even come from? Well, it started in 2015 and then it became huge. When I mean huge, it was pretty much the backbone of the crypto market with the trading volume double Bitcoin. It's pretty much providing liquidity to the entire crypto market, and if this is not being stable, the whole market will become much harder to trade. And if you want to place really high bets, let's say you want to have a really explosive, a very strong buy or a very strong sell, it will be very hard to liquidate that, and that's why the USDT is the backbone. And if people are not able to do that, let me tell you one thing, there will be a lot of uncertainty and people will be very fearful. So what's the point? Investor protection, ensuring transparency and minimizing stablecoin risk. So that's their purpose, and that's the reason why they're trying to get rid of USDT. Tether have been accused of not doing a proper audit since 2017. Instead, they kept promising it was coming, but as we know, it never actually happened. What happens after Tether is delisted? Liquidity drop. USDT is the dominant stablecoin. Its removal from the EU exchanges could lead to a reduced market liquidity, and traders will find it harder to execute large orders without impacting the price. And this is exactly what we don't want to see, because if the traders have too much impact on the market, increased transaction fees, and investors might have to convert holding into another stablecoin or freight. This could lead to a higher fee and worse exchange rates. And you know what will happen? The market will become very unstable. Traders might panic, leading to a sudden price fluctuation and uncertainty in the market. But here's the thing, USDT is a crucial link to the crypto chain. If it really gets delisted, it could trigger a collapse in the entire crypto market, but I'm confident that it will find a way to work it out and avoid the disaster. Right now, overall, it's very clear to see that if USDT is delisted, and that's why it's been trending, there is a huge wave of outflow of cash from the crypto market that's going to occur. And definitely this is pretty much going to favor one coin, and that's going to be the USDC. I'm very certain it would require a lot of push from USDC to be able to catch up to what Tether has accomplished in the past 8 to 10 years. Another thing is MICA. They are going to be taking this effect, and let me tell you one thing, EU is one of the largest provider of crypto around the entire world, and if EU is going to be delisting one of the largest stable coins, it will become a lot harder to ensure that the crypto market ensures its stability. Now on the other end, Dogecoin could rally another 6,000% if it continues to follow the ascending parallel channel. The only reason I wouldn't agree with this fully is due to the fact that the market cap would become very big. That's all I'm going to say. And Michael Saylor, co-founder of MicroStrategy, has hinted to a potential new Bitcoin acquaintance for the 8th straight week. Some market observers have suggested that MicroStrategy's aggressive purchase pattern could induce the market volatility. And let me tell you one thing, this is going to be the reason, which I'm mentioning USDT, if Bitcoin decides to have a really strong pullback, the singular reason could be USDT. And you guys know previously a disabling of a stable coin is going to be huge. Now USDC is not the only one that will be benefiting from this, rather the new Ripple stablecoin that was released is also going to see a lot of inflow of cash from all the XRP fanboys. The open interest for Dogecoin is still sitting stable, and Dogecoin's price is also doing extremely well as Bitcoin's finding it hard to be able to recover. Well, Doge actually made a recovery and is actually quite stable around the support of 32 cents. Dogecoin could surge by 6,700%. This was covered by so many different big articles. And HK and Germany consider setting up a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Huge deal, because you guys know at the start of the year, Germany did actually end up selling their Bitcoin reserve, which was quite a large sum of money. If you guys do not know, it was close to, I believe, 15 or 20 billion dollars. I don't remember the exact number, but it was a big number that later on people talked about how Germany missed out on a huge amount of profit. Bybit shuts down in Malaysia amid the regulators' orders. Now this should give you perspective. As Bitcoin or crypto in general is becoming bigger, more and more exchanges are facing a lot of problems. And also, if you look at Binance, VP challenges the Brazil's central bank crypto regulation. So there is a lot of lawsuits that are also coming out of this. So that's why the crypto market is in a very uncertain, unstable situation due to USDT, which is the largest stablecoin, going through some problems, and on the other end, the crypto market not being able to pull back as strong. What would I do in this situation? Especially, I would stay away from leverage trading and try to buy the favorite coin I have as we see some sort of pullback. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. This was not financial advice. Make sure you make your own decision, and I'll see you soon.